To pay someone with PayPal, start by logging into your PayPal account using your email address and password. If you do not have a PayPal account, you will need to create one by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and credit or debit card details. Once you are logged in, click on the Send and Request tab at the top of the page. Then select Send to Friends and Family or Pay for Goods and Services. Depending on the nature of the payment, enter the recipient's email address or mobile number, and the amount you want to send. You can also add a note to the payment if you want to include a message. Next, review the payment details to make sure everything is correct. Check the recipient's email address, the amount, and the payment method. If you are using a credit or debit card, you will need to confirm the card details. If you are using your PayPal balance, make sure you have sufficient funds. When you are ready, click the Send Payment button to complete the transaction. The recipient will receive an email notification when the payment is sent, and the funds will be transferred to their PayPal account immediately. The recipient can then transfer the funds to their bank account or use them to make a payment. It is worth noting that PayPal charges a small fee for some types of payments, such as payments to merchants or cross-border payments. However, payments to friends and family within the same country are usually free. To avoid any potential issues, make sure you have the recipient's correct email address or mobile number, and that you have sufficient funds in your PayPal account. In addition, always be cautious when sending payments to someone you do not know, and never send payments to unverified recipients. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can use PayPal to send payments quickly and securely.